Hi everyone, this video is going to be for Zazzle customers or anybody who just wants to understand how to make a Valentine's Day card that you can personalize yourself. So I made this template for you, so this is going to be like super quick. All a customer has to do is click on this link, and I'll put this link below in the description, and you'll see this card come up. So all you have to do is go right here where it says personalize this template and click on it. And right here you can change everything, the picture and all the text on the card. So to change the picture, just click change. And then you go right here to upload your own favorite image. So your image will go here. And then you can edit this. So say you want to put love you lots, honey. You can put that. And then see how, okay, it fits pretty good right there. But say you want to move it to the top. All you'd have to do is hit edit design tool. And then you can move it around. And you could pick a different text if you want, so you could see it better. And then just click on done. And then if you want to edit the inside of the card where it says Happy Valentine's Day, see the inside right here, it says Happy Valentine's Day. Click on personalize, and you could put your own personal message and change it all. See? And that is it. That's all you have to do. So you can look down here at all the views of the card. And if there's anything you don't like, you can click on personalize it. And if the options aren't here, you can go to edit using design tool. So that's it. Then once you got your card, how you like it, you just click on add to cart. And then you can buy it. Simple as that. Better order your stuff now, though, because Valentine's is going to be here before you know it. All right, guys, have a great day. Happy Zazzling. Bye-bye.